Afternoon, Earthlings. Well, I just had my first ride of the year on my Aprilia RSV-R Millie with a little conversion on it to more like some sort of a Tuono. So I just thought I'd just give you a little quick walk around of the bike. I've had it for a while. It's now done about 8,000 miles. It's essentially RSV Millie R. Got all the Oz wheels, the Olens, the carbon bits, steering damper, suspension, Brembo Gold brakes. But it's got straight-ish handlebars with a slight angle on them, bar mirrors on the end. So they're bent in slightly. So some people might not like that. It's not that bad. A nose cone, instead of putting the Tuono nose cone on it, I thought I'd try and change the identity. I brought this matte black nose cone with the orange yellow screen, and I purchased this LED projector headlight here. The two clear white segments are daylight running lights, and then when I put the indicators on, they convert to indicators. So it's got a main beam, full beam, and I think a park and light as well. So that does away with the front indicators. And on the rear, I purchased one of these lights, clear lights, and that doubles up as driving light, brake light, and then obviously if I'm turning right, the right one flashes as an indicator. Also got fitted the Aprilia titanium exhaust can. Also the exhaust mod there to allow it to replicate a 2-into-2 system, and a Gabriel chip to suit. That's about it. The coils, as you can see, the coils are missing on the side of the frame here. The coils would have been here and to the other side. They've been relocated in the seat unit, and also if you notice there's more on the engine on show because the coolant expansion tank is missing, and that has also been relocated in there, so it's given it a slimmer look. The belly pan is off carbon fibre short belly pan of the Tuono factory, of generation 1 vintage. Front end's the same. I had to change the discs, so I've got the slightly wavy discs of a more modern Italian bike. They seem to suit very well. I struggled to get the air inlets, so I got air inlets and they were various colours, rubbed them down, and I put those stickers on, which I think is quite nice. What else have we changed? Don't laugh at my metalwork here, but we also put a voltage and temperature display on there. The voltage display we thought was quite good because obviously we could watch the voltage while we were driving. It's still got the normal clock mount. These little carbon covers just sort of make it a little bit proper. That's about it really. It rides really nice. I suppose there's less wind protection than a normal Tuono, but that's not a bad thing these days. The seat has been recovered with a leather covering, and that went quite well because that was a little bit shabby. That's about it really. Let's go around to the other side of the bike. Yeah, I changed the stand. I put an American side stand on it so it sits a bit better on the stand. Yeah, that's pretty much everything about the bike. I hope you enjoying it just as much as I have. Looks like the side oil tank there has got a bit of history to tell at some stage. That was on the bike when I got it. This little bracket here absolutely looks perfect, made to measure to hold that tank on there, and obviously this is where the other two side coils would have been put. Like I said, they are actually in the seat hump. Yes, about it really. All clean and tidy. Ride's beautiful. Yeah, just puts a smile on my face. But after today's ride, I'm not saying I'm OCD, but she's a little bit muddy. I can't leave her like that. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick walk around. I suppose you'd call it my daily fun rider, if I had such a thing. Thank you very much, Earthlings. Any questions? Please ask away. I hope you enjoyed it, because I certainly enjoy riding this bike. Thank you very much.